era's design called for delicate, complex curved walls, and the Guggenheim Foundation wanted huge exhibition spaces. To achieve both, the walls had to be big. But this created the first problem. The structural engineers faced the problem of ensuring the building was strong enough to support itself. Concrete would have worked, but the walls would have been too thick. So the engineers decided to use a thin steel skeleton. But how could they be sure that the delicate framework would be strong enough to support the entire building? The answer is in the shape. An example, if I just hold this piece of paper out, now clearly it's not very stiff and strong at all, but if I change its shape, put a curve in it, suddenly it's a lot stiffer and a lot stronger. So, changing the shape of a material by adding a curve makes it stronger. And just like this art, the Guggenheim is all curves, which led to a surprising suggestion. The engineers quickly realised that they could turn the curved walls to their advantage by making them support the building and in the process create huge open gallery spaces. In fact, the engineers asked Gehry to make the curves even more pronounced, even more curving. It's not often that an architect is asked to be even more outlandish by the engineers. The secret of the Guggenheim strength comes from an egg and a very special dam. Eggshell is famously fragile stuff. I mean, it just crumbles. But, as it turns out, chickens are perhaps better engineers than we've ever given them credit, because if you form eggshell into the right shape, it's capable of withstanding some pretty amazing forces, as I shall now demonstrate with this experiment. Between these two sheets of plastic, there are 384 eggs glued in place with silicone. These eggs are not hard-boiled, they're just as the chicken provided them. All we need now is a weight, something heavy. This will be perfect. Weighs about 3/4 ton, maybe. Only problem is, it needs to be a bit more manageable. But that's okay. A few modifications, we can achieve that. Take it away. Quite like it. Modifications.